Your next car could be the 2024 Honda Ridgeline. This Ridgeline takes a thoughtful approach to meeting the demands of your active lifestyle. You'll love its rugged capability, smooth ride, and easy handling, as well as its clever cargo and entertainment solutions and customizable all-weather driving modes. It's a hard-working pickup truck that's anything but ordinary. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, power passenger seat, rear AC, steering wheel audio controls. Don't miss the opportunity to drive a pickup that's as multidimensional as you are. Come in today and drive this Honda Ridgeline.